She really loves you, tatay. Oh. Okay. She is very comfy. She's very comfy. What's she doing?
She's crashing it.
What?
She's just snoozing.
She's so lovely to you, tatay. You are Tatay Mingming, baba? You are Tatay's Mingming? Why is she really like sleeping in your lap? Sleeping in your chest?
I don't know.
Sleeping on the top of you, tatay. She loved that. What's happening? She is Mingming's tatay? Or tatay's Mingming? She is tatay's Mingming. But Mang is, she loves me. She likes to sleep with me too. Mingming like to sleep with you. Hoy. Shh. What you doing? Ming. Ming. She's huge, isn't she? Big girl. You're a big girl. Yes, you are.